everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Akshita and you are watching Akshita's Recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick, yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious where you're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe. So friends, let's get started with today's corn patties. So here I've just taken about a cup of corn, sweet corn, and I've just boiled it in some water and just left it to be drained. Now I've boiled about 6 potatoes. Now these are all the other ingredients. So I've taken half of the corn and I've just retained it, and the other half I've just ground it to a very coarse paste. Then we require some fresh coconut, about half a cup of some freshly chopped up coriander. Now here is some grated ginger, about an inch of ginger, and about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. These are about 3 light green chillies, some lemon juice, about the juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, some salt to taste. These are the potatoes that I've peeled and mashed up, and this is the breadcrumbs. This is a recipe for homemade breadcrumbs. I'll leave the recipe at the end of this video. So now in a bowl, I'm going to put in my corn. Friends, all the ingredients with the exact measurements will be in the description box below. So I've put the coarsely ground corn too. Now I'm going to add the fresh coconut, the coriander, the ginger, as well as the garlic, some salt, the green chili paste, the chaat masala, the salt to taste, and the lemon juice. And we're going to give all of this a nice mix. And this is going to be our filling for the patties or the stuffing. Now I'm just going to take a small ball, a lime-sized ball of the mashed potato. It's boiled and mashed. Just press it down like this. Flatten it out a little and then make it into a little basket like this. And then just fill it up with this filling. Now please do taste the filling and see whether you need to add a little more lemon juice or a little bit of salt. So please taste it. Now we're just going to seal it up like this. Give it a nice shape. Press it down a bit, flatten it a little. And then I'm just going to roll it into these breadcrumbs. Now you could make a slurry of corn flour with water and then dip it into that and then put it into the breadcrumbs. But even this way, we just want to lightly coat it with the breadcrumbs, not like you would do with a potato chop. And then just keep it all aside. And then we're just going to shallow fry them till they're nice and golden brown. And it's as simple as that, friends. Do watch the video till the end, then you'll get to see how to make homemade breadcrumbs with, the sides of the slices of bread that we sometimes cut and keep aside. So you can make breadcrumbs with that. I've left the video at the end of this video. So friends, wasn't it really simple and with very few ingredients? So I hope you like today's recipe and I hope you give it a try, and if you do, then don't forget to leave your comments in this comment section below. I would love to hear from you. And if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up icon that you see below this video.
And once you do that, then also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by hitting the red subscribe button that you see below this video. And once you have subscribed, a little bell will show up. Just click that bell. That way whenever I put up a video or a recipe, you'll be the first one to know. You'll get a message for the same. Also, to find me on YouTube, just type the recipe you're looking for, and on the side of it or the next to it, just type Akshata's recipes. For example, if you're looking for chicken curry, just write chicken curry, Akshata's recipes, and all my chicken curry recipes will come up. Also, I'm active on Facebook, Instagram, and I have my own blog page. All links will be down in the description box below. So thank you so much for joining me today, and have a nice day. Be safe, stay healthy, stay at home, and be kind and loving to one another. And I'll catch you in my next recipe and next video sooner than you think. Take care, guys. Bye.